There are 7 things to keep in mind when filing an income tax return. Ed. MD. Hubabul Hack. According to the law of Bangladesh, it is mandatory for those who have a tax identification number or to file an income tax return. Failure to do so will result in fines. However, filing a return does not require an income tax. If someone's income is not taxable, then he does not need to pay income tax, just submit the return. Filing an income tax return is not a complicated matter. However, there are some things to be careful about. Otherwise, there is a possibility of getting into legal trouble. According to the Income Tax Act, some income is subject to tax, such as salary from work, income from business, money from rent, money received from sale and transfer of any property, interest on securities, savings certificate, bonds, bank interest, etc., from agriculture. Income. Transparent details of assets. Details of your personal income, bank deposits, savings certificates, shares, debentures and other assets should be clearly stated at the time of filing the income tax return. If you do not disclose any asset details in the return, it will not be valid and you may get into legal trouble. Submission of appropriate documents. When the income tax return is filed, some proofs and documents have to be submitted along with it. In addition, if a savings certificate is purchased, a copy of the certificate of profit will be given. Therefore, it is advisable to keep a copy of all types of documents with a customer at all times. Fill the return form, If you want, you can fill in the return form and submit it yourself, or you can take the advice of an income tax lawyer. It is also important to have a good income tax lawyer. Taxpayers often get into trouble because of the lawyer's mistakes. The lawyer will notice and try to understand how you are presenting your income, expenses and amount of assets. First, return submission portion. Those who are submitting the return for the first time should be careful while filling the form. Be transparent in submitting asset details. Don't try to hide anything. Many people think that for the first time, they will be shown step by step every year without giving details of all the property. But this is a misconception. If the matter comes to the notice of the income tax authorities, then you may get into legal trouble. Suppose someone has 2 crore rupees, but he did not show it at the time of filing the return. If it comes out through investigation, the income tax department may ask, why is it hidden? It is not easy to come out with the answer to this question. Submission of income and expenditure return, When filing an income tax return, you will show the income as well as the expenses. It is important to balance expenditure with income. If your living expenses are not commensurate with your income, you may end up in legal trouble. Do not avoid agricultural income. If you have any income from agriculture, it should be clearly stated. You have to pay tax on the rest of the money, excluding the cost of production, from the income you earn each year from the production of grain or fish from agricultural land. If agriculture is your only source of income, then there are some additional benefits. Income from house rent. If you make an income from rent, you must mention it in your income tax return. In that case, you have to specify the size of the part you have rented. If the income is more than Tk 25,000 per month for rent, the landlord has to deposit it as a bank. Failure to do so will result in fines.